Good day. So today I'd be presenting to you our fork of a banking app that we developed for our platform security course in college. So here, PBTC Banking, a secure Flask-based banking application developed by yours truly, Giancarlo Bata, Nico Papa, Leo Tagub, and Almira Caligacion. So, BPTC Banking is a Flask-based web application designed for safe and simple banking operations. So, the key features of the applications is that it creates and manages user accounts, secure money transfers, role-based dashboards, user, admin, and manager. And lastly, a responsive UI deployable on Python Anywhere. So, the 2025 security enhancements focus on improving user authentication and data protection for a seamless banking experience. So, number one, a 6-digit PIN login verification and reset. Number two, session timeout after 15 minutes of inactivity. Number three, lock out after 3 incorrect PIN attempts. So, the number three in particular prevents malicious people from trying to brute force the account by locking it out. And number four is export user transaction data via CSV. So CSV is a common separated value. So number five, inactivity warning modal before logout. So of course, if we're going to log users out through a timeout, we might as well warn them so that they could act before it does. Log them out. And number six, lastly, updated modern UI plus legal pages. So user roles and their features. So PBT's BPTC banking provides distinct roles. So we have three, the regular, the admin, and the manager. So each of them with tailored features for optimal security and usability. So users can benefit from secure logins, transaction history tracking, and address validation, ensuring a seamless banking experience. So, security architecture in BPTC banking. So, BPTC banking employs Bcrypt password hashing to ensure user credentials are stored securely and are resistant to brute force attack. Additionally, CSR protection and secure cookie flag enhance the overall security posture against common web vulnerabilities and session fixation threats. So with HTTPS and rate limiting in place, the application provides a secure environment for financial transactions and user data management. So automated security testing overview. Automated security testing leverages Python scripts to identify vulnerabilities in the banking application, ensuring a robust defense against threats. So these scripts validate authentication weaknesses, session management flaws, and protection against SQL injection and XSS attacks. So comprehensive testing also examines access control vulnerabilities, CSRF, and clickjacking threats, enhancing overall application security. Integration with OWASP SAP allows for automated scanning, providing an additional layer of protection for the application security posture. So tech stacks and deployment overview. So the BPTC banking application utilizes Python and Flask for backend development, MySQL for database management, and is deployed on Python Anywhere with Redis for effective rate limiting. So the link for the Python Anywhere application or Python Anywhere, application that we hosted on Python Anywhere is here. Uh, As you can see, https://almira librando 14 pythonanywhere.com/login question mark next is equals to question mark I percentage to F. So that's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Almira Kalingashan from BS3B, and today I'm going to explain or present our website called BPTC Banking. And as you can see, dito ako sa BS Code magra-run for our website. Pero later is ipapakita ko din yung deployed namin na website sa Python anyway. Yan. And click the link. Then, just wait. Then yan. Mapupunta kayo sa page na home or homepage ng PPTC Banking. Then, eto, you, as a new user, kunwari, is mag-re-register ka muna. Then, kunwari si my brother, Edwin. Then, Edwin. And password is kunwari is lahat ay numbers lang. And then sila magkatugma. So, yan. May invalid email address na sinabi yung website. Then, field must be equal to password. Then, kunwari yung email is may Gmail na. Then, password niya is complete naman siya sa 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 8 na password. Nariyan. Yan lang yung Then register tayo. Then, the password must be 8 characters long. Include numbers, special characters in both uppercase and lowercase. Dapat 8 yung characters with numbers, special characters, and both upper and lowercase. So, ilagay natin yung password ko. And, ano yan? Edwin 15. Edwin.15. So, your account has been registered so, as a user, kailangan mo mag-wait. Kasi bago ka pa lang. So, kailangan mo ma-aprobahan muna ng admin. So, si admin, login in natin. Then, as admin, ikaw lang ang pwedeng maka-access nito. And then, yung admin is nakalagay na siya doon sa code. Kung ano yung password and yung username. Then, ito, kung makikita mo, kailangan yun ng PIN. Then, punta tayo dun sa admin dashboard. Kasi kailangan natin i-aprobahan ang bagong user. Activate natin siya. Then, kung sa nakikita nyo dito sa dashboard, pwedeng mag-export ng user or, pwedeng makapag-export ng user CSV ang si admin para sa hard copy, kumbaga. Then, as a user, kung gusto mo ng copy ng transaction mo, pwede din naman makahingi ng copy by exporting the summary CSV of your transaction with the account number and balance remaining. Then, balik tayo dito sa PIN. Sa PIN naman, kapag 3 beses ka nag-try and mali pa din, is magsasuggest ang system na play incorrect PIN pala. Magsasuggest siya na i-reset yung PIN mo para ma-access mo again yung account mo. So, Sa transfer naman, pwede ka na makatransfer. And, kunwari si admin, ako, admin, then kunwari 100, hindi ka transfer sa sarili mo or sa, yeah, you cannot transfer money to yourself. Then, after that, let's go back to the logout, then manager, para i-manage si admin. Kasi yun na ang hawak ni manager, si admin. At si admin, ang hawak niya naman si user. So, yan. Pwedeng makita yung transfer audit and then user list. Then, si user list, yan makikita kung sino yung mga user. I-monitor niya. Then, admin list, tinitignan niya din. Pwede niya din i-remove yung ano. Then, pwede din si manager makapag transfer ng money. And then, balik tayo sa dashboard. Pwede nyo i-hide. Yan. At sa baba, sa footer, makikita mo kung saan yung, yung mga developers. Yan. And pwede nyo siyang i-click para ma-access nyo yung mga GitHub account. Yan. Then, punta tayo sa GitHub repository namin. So, ito yung repository namin. Then, we have a readme. Then, dito, may mga instruction kami dito kung ano yung mga in-enhance, kung ano yung mga features over, and then security, and then kung paano mag-install, and paano mag-set up ng database, then paano mag-deploy sa Python Anywhere, then ano yung user roles, then nagamit din ng API, then kung ano yung mga technologies na ginamit, and nagamit din kami ng rate limiting. Then, we have a license. After that, you can access our deployed system or deployed website dito. Yan. Same lang naman siya doon sa ano namin, pero dito, hindi siya secured and hindi niyo siya ma-access. Ang ma-access niyo lang is ito. For, for, for better sa security kasi HTTPS siya. So, yan. Pwede kayo mag-login dyan. Register kayo. Then, sa admin, hintayin nyo yung approval ni admin. Yan. And ito ang our code. Yan. Yan yung code namin. And don't forget, follow the instruction para hindi magkaroon ng error, or syntax error, ganun. Error. Then, yan. Yan. Kapag matagal ka na dito, and di mo siya ginagalaw, mag-automatic siya magla-log out. Then, kapag ilang beses, kunwari dito, kapag ilang beses ka ilang beses kang ganyan, madaming yan, lalabas siya kasi rate limit exceed. Then, ilang beses mo kasi siyang hindot, yan. Madaming may limit kasi siya. So, kahit pindutin mo sa login ulit, balik ka login, hindi ka makakaano. Kailangan mo maghintay. Dito naman, same din siya kapag masyado ka matagal. Then, kunwari, login tayo ang manager. Here, then, transfer tayo ng money. Kay admin, 100. Then, transfer. May confirmation transfer pa siya. Para kung sure kayo, pwede siyang i-transfer. Kung hindi, pwede i-cancel. So, yan. Then kapag linood mo siya dito sa home, same din yan. Pag ano mo siya, inulit-ulit dito, i-exit siya, or so, may limit lang ang ano namin. So, yan. So, our BPTC is bata. Bata, Papa, Tagum, and Kalingasyan. Thank you.